Myself, Dr. Avdesh Singh, consultant homeopathic physician of chronic diseases, University Student Health Complex Care Unit, DHU, Varanasi. I am working on nutrition and wellness since 2005. And regarding this project, health, wealth, and career, I will share some concept, some informative message that will help you to understand how many ways of earning money, but upon which the maximum people are dependent. As we know, the service job seeking attitude is running all over the India, all over our nation, around the world too. But we must understand, job is not the only one way. Job is the not only way to earn money. When we become, when our ability become to get a certificate, that certificate certify us that we can do on this basis any type of the job only. But I am talking about the others way of earning money. The job is good, but what is the limitation of job and what we want? In this concept, in this information, which is I am going to share you, that will help you to take next decision also. So please listen sincerely, seriously, and then make choice. Don't say I am not interested. This will help you to increase your interest. Okay. So friends, this screen is being certified that what is the way of earning money. As we know, we are all are trapped with time, and money is trapped by the time. How much you can make your income, that depends upon the time. And to gain money, to earn money, we must have some criteria like knowledge, experience, skill. These three important things that measured that how much we have the ability to earn the money. The earning ability is just comparatively directly related to your knowledge, experience, and skill. Money, how we earn money? Money is earned by talent into number of hours. Talents means your knowledge, experience, skill, like these things. You have how much, what is the level of your knowledge and experience skill is multiplied by number of hours. If you have knowledge, experience, and skill, but you are not working, means you are not using the time to perform, you can't earn money. As we know, this is the way of normal way of earning the money, and every job seeker search on the basis of their knowledge, experience, and skill. So we must understand how do we create income. Active income is directly related to rate of skill into time. You must know what is active income, but I am narrating about this that when we make active income, that is totally dependent upon skill and time. So how much you can earn money till you are performing. Is your income dependent on ability to perform time you put on, then you have to know that you are making active income. If you have the ability performance, you may make money. If you have time, you make money. Means if you are thinking about these two things, that will clear you that you will make linear or active income in a way. Like for example, if you are working for 8 hours and you are making 10,000 rupees per month, then if you want to 20,000, then you have to work 16 hours daily. If you want 30,000 rupees per month, and then you have to work daily 24 hours. like this. If you want to 40,000 per month to earn money, means you have to work 32 hours, which is impossible. Like, means to say, here you can justify, you can understand here that if you want to increase your income, you have to increase your time. There is two things: either you can increase your income or you can increase your time. Time is 24 hours, and some period of time you can't increase your knowledge, experience and skill too. You must understand. So you will how much create money, that depends upon ability to perform and time you put on, right? Now there is four ways to earn money. You have to understand, almost the maximum educated person only knows the way of earning money, that is being have a job. That who one have job, like they are called employee, right? Employee. And second method of earning money is self-employed, that is own a job. They own a job. And the third points on the right side, you are seeing here business owner, ongoing income from a business system. A businessman develop business system from which make he income and multiplied income. Right way investor, ongoing income from using capital. So right side and left side, if you are observing here, you will see here the left side, employee and self-employed side, is 90% people in this world, and 10% people are on the right side, means as a business, as an investor. And if we think about the money wealth point of view, 10% of the wealth of the world, of your any place, you can think your district, your state, your nation. Lastly, I will say to you, the 10% of wealth is in left side and 90% of the wealth in the right side. Which side you want to be? Which one you like? Just that decide your future. If you are an employee, if you are a self-employed, you will be restricted by time and performance ability. But if you select your business side, right side, then you have opportunity to make huge income. Then just think about it. There is four ways to earn money. But the maximum people, 90% of the people are inclined to be a business, be a employee and a self-employed, right? What is difference between right side and left side? You have to understand here that understanding money, the nature of money is what? Active income, which type the income is called active income, and which type the income is called passive income. If you are making your income by monthly paycheck, business profit, professional fees, bonus, sales commission, you are making active income, right? And if you are making income, asset generated income, like rental income, dividend income, fixed deposit interest, royalty income, residual income, you are making passive income. What is difference between active income and passive income? Till work, when you are in active mode, when you are working, you are performing, or you have the performance ability, and if you have the time in action mode, then you are making the active income. Your way of income, I have described here. And in the passive income side, they are making, their income is not based on your active income as a action. That is depends upon your asset or your capital, right? When passive income exceed monthly expenditure, financial freedom. Financial freedom means what? You can enjoy your life as you want. You, whatever the time you need, whatever time you money need, and everything depends upon the nature of income. If you are making active income, you can't enjoy financial income freedom. But if you are making passive income, you can enjoy financial freedom if your income is exceeding more than expenditure. The next, here you have to understand financial freedom. If your active income, here is one side active income, and in between two, both, there is expenditure, And in the third point, that is passive. Here your active income is less than expenditure, you can't enjoy financial freedom. If your active income is more than expenditure, even you can't enjoy financial freedom, because if you are not working, you can't make income. So, but in the looking here, passive income is more than expenditure. You can enjoy financial freedom because you have no any kind of the tension, pressure, or mental stress to earn money, because in absence of your presence, in your physical absence, in your not being active, you are making passive income, then you can enjoy financial freedom. So you have to understand here, I have clear about in front of you, that if you want to earn money, to enjoy money, you must understand the nature of passive income. So, my dear friends, if you have any type of the question, please ask me so I can clear your question, right? Here is ME Global, ME company, which gives you opportunity to build your own business, helping people live better lives. This is the nature of business. If you are helping the people to live better life, you can enjoy financial freedom. How it happened? I am narrating in next page, right? Suppose that here is you are, and to satisfy your need, you goes into the market and purchase different type of things to as your required needs, right? For which you work daily, hard work you do, and then you earn money to need satisfy your need, right? You are making active income. And how this processing happen in the market, in market, everything come to this process as a stockist, distributor, wholesaler, retailer, and advertisement. So from the factory, manufacturing cost with the profit 40%, products goes into this market through stockist, distributor, wholesaler, and retailer. Then what happens? 60% gets added as distribution cost. Manufacturing cost with profit is 40% plus 60% gets added as distribution cost. Then you take, you pay 100% against 40% of the cost. This is the marketing system. You must understand very easily that 40% manufacturing cost, you get 40%, 100% to pay it, right? What is MA? This is the traditional marketing system. What is MA? You have to understand here that MA make these products and store on their pickup center, their service center. They do not give any products to this advertisement, to this marketing system, right? You can get any product from the MA if you are, if you want to save your 60%, then you can purchase buy directly from the MA website or stores, right? And in this way, you can understand that we have a chance to get 60% as a passive income. This is the concept of direct selling. This is the first company, MA is the first company which gives the sense, gives the concept of direct selling. It is the paternal company of direct selling company since 1959 running around the world. So you have to understand here that what is happening. If you are changing your buying habit from the traditional market to MA, you have the chance to get 60% as a passive income, because you are not making any kind of the action to make this income. How it will happen? I am discussing about it. This will income possibility will come retail margin up to 10%, trade discount up to 10%, CSI customer sale incentive 10%, performance sales commission up to 21%. Right? Look here, if your turnover is more than 20,000, means the net sale value will be the 16,000 point value 200 and you will get 3%. Right way, you have to understand the total things. That if you are making 600 point value, you will get 6% extra bonus rather than this retail margin, trade discount, customer sale incentive, and 9% as a plus BFI, 12% and 15% as a BBI, and 18% level as 21% silver producer. You have to understand the twine value is must be multiplied by the 80 rupees net value. Then you will get the clear data of your income, right? For example, I am sharing how it happened. You have to become a ABO, MA business owner. If you have registered with the MA and you are learning how this will be uh, informed to others person with the BRIT Worldwide India. This is the global education system, that is BRIT BRIT Worldwide as the name, but in India, BRIT Worldwide India, right? You are the one single person, you are making, you are the single person, and if you are giving 60 hours in a month, your requirement plus giving other person help, 10,000 rupees turnover, discount will be 3,000, and you will get 3,000 rupees as a CSI discount and retail margins. Okay, 30% money will be returned in your, you will get reback. Means to what? If you are purchasing the products from the MA company, you are getting 30% return of the money, right? If you are informing this information to some your friends like this, 6 peoples, right? Here are some peoples which you are giving this information to give the benefit, then what will happen? 7 people will be in your organization, 420 hours will work, and according to total, if you are, they are expensing, their expenses more than 10,000, it may be the 5,000, but I am calculating in front of you, 70,000 rupees is turnover, and your discount will be the 2,400, 2,400, bonus will be the 4,200, and total income will be the 6,600, 6,600. Means return of money will be the, return of income will be the 66%. You are you are purchasing 10,000 product, but 66% income is being returned to you through this system. Right way, if you are informing some friends like you, like your friends, and then what will happen if they are purchasing the products? All friends will purchase the products, then this criteria will develop. 31% will be the total 31 peoples, and working hours will be the 1,860 hours per month, and turnover will be 3,10,000. Discount will be the 2,000 of your self purchasing, and bonus level will be 18,000. Total income will be the 23,000. 23,000 rupees will be the return. Then what will be the return of income? That is 230% return of income is being with yourself, right? And if you are helping other people like this, then what will happen? 3 people each person, then 103% in your organization, total 6,180 hours being worked. Daily every person is working only for 2 hours, means 60 hours monthly. Turnover will be 10,000, 30,000, 10 lakhs 30,000. Bonus discount will you get of the 10,000 200,000 rupees. Bonus will be 1 lakhs 23,600 rupees, and total income will be 1 lakh 68,750 rupees, including 15% BFI and BBI 20%. Total 35% of the 1,23,600 you will get. Total income will be 1,68,750 rupees. So, how much money is being returned? 1,687%. Just think about it. This is the power of network. And if you understand properly, you can, what will get finally? That, look here. You are making organization of, you have made 103% people's organization, and work is being multiplied. Now you are working only for 60 hours in a day, but working hours become 6,180 hours. Like a businessman, your hours is being multiplied, turnover is being multiplied, and your active income is 2,000 of 10,000, 10,000 rupees you are purchasing for your self use, and if you are using purchasing, you are working, that is the active income your, and that active income will be the 2,000 rupees, but bonus is 1,23,600, that is passive income. Now you are financially secure. This is the to understand what is called financial security. If you are not purchasing any kind of the products in a month, then you will not get your 2,000 rupees discount, that is your active income, but you will get 1,23,600 rupees. This is called passive income. So my dear friends, you have to understand, if you are job seeker, that is good thing. If you get got the job, with job you can build this business. 2 hours daily it takes. If you are busy, but if you are not busy and you want to make your own business, own work, then you can put as a business, as an employee, hours in this business you can achieve in short period of time, right? This is my presentation to all of you, and here I am stopping this presentation. And so my dear friends, you have to understand here this company how much helping each people to make their income with the help of their own business. As an entrepreneur you are working here, nobody is your boss, no restriction of your time. You are the boss and you can make this all income in flexible hours. Depends upon you which time you want. This is the opportunity for equal opportunity for every person on the earth, on our nation, right? But I will like to say you this is the not lost income. The sky is the limit. And as you increasing your others points of view, the like other bonuses are in front of you, which will make, which has the opportunity to make you billionaire, millionaire too. Depends upon you. What is your reason to build this business? How much income you need, and how you will be satisfied. And this is the way of earning income with the help of this Brit Worldwide education system to learn how will we have to work. And the product company, that is MV company, provide you the world-class products, world-leading products, that is the topmost direct selling company, the first direct selling company in the world, number one direct selling company in the world. And this is also available with all facilities in India too. Now you have to only understand that why you will like to build this business, and why you will like to build a business to direct selling company too, right? So I am completing, this is my presentation. If you have any type of the question, because so many things I can't explain in this short period of time, but you can understand. So my communication link, that is 9452564501, that is my mobile number, and 9125370078. This is my next WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you all of you.